Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix high memory, CPU, and RAM usage on your Windows. So if you're experiencing this high memory, CPU, and RAM usage, by the way, how can you know about that? Just simply make a right click at the start button and then select Task Manager. Now here in the Task Manager window, we need to locate the performance. And here in the performance, this is where you can find your memory, CPU, and RAM usage. So if you're already on that high state, then let's go quick into the process on how we can fix that. So right click again at the start button and then select Task Manager in the list of options. Now maximize this. Then here in the list of processes, we need to close the unnecessary programs running in the background. So let's say for example, the hill climbing, just make a right click and then select end task. So you have to completely close the unnecessary programs from here in the task manager. So as also I have this unnecessary program or applications. I have the Brave browser, right click, select end task. And then the Chrome browser, right click and then select and task. Now, once done, still in the options on the left pane, you have to click on Startup Apps. So these are all the applications that will automatically start whenever you sign in into your Windows. So change the status from enabled to disabled so that you will know what are the startup applications enabled on your Windows. And if you find that unnecessary or if you find the startup app unnecessary, then what you can do, just simply make a right click and then select disable, and you have to do that for all the unnecessary startup apps on your Windows, and then simply close this. Then in the Windows search bar right here, type sysdm.cpl sysdm.cpl control panel item. Click on that. Now the system properties window will be up, which has the computer name tab, hardware tab, advanced tab, system protection tab, and the remote tab. So click on the advanced tab. Then here you'll find performance, visual effects, processor scheduling, memory usage, and virtual memory. Click on settings. Now the performance options window will appear. Now click on adjust for best performance. Then make some changes right here, like click this box show thumbnails instead of icons, and smooth edges of screen fonts. Apply and then OK, and then click on OK again. Then in the Windows search bar, type here choose. Then under the best match, you'll find choose a power plan. Click on that control panel item. Then from here for the selected plan, if you have the high performance or the ultra high performance, then you can choose either high performance or ultra high performance. And if you don't have the selected plan like this, then you have to simply search on how you can enable the high performance and then ultra high performance onto your Windows, and then you can either choose any of that. Then we can also perform the disk cleanup. So in the Windows search bar, type disk cleanup. Remember that you have to finish the video in order to follow all the steps to fix the issue. So click on the OK for the Windows C drive. Then the disk cleanup for Windows will appear. Now simply check all of these boxes right here one by one. Then you have to click on OK, and you will be asked, are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Click on delete files. And let's just wait for this, as this will clear all the unnecessary files and the temporary files on our machine. So once that is done, in the Windows search bar again, type security. We are going to perform the Windows security scan. Click on Windows security. Then here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on virus and threat protection. And here you'll find scan options. Click on it. So you have four options on how you can do a scan. So this will scan for all the threads on your Windows. Now, you can go with quick scan if you're in a hurry, but this will just only check folders in your system where threads are commonly found, or in other words, this will just check for some areas of your Windows and not the entire Windows. So I suggest that you can go with full scan to check all the files and running programs on your hard disk and to check the entire system, and you have to click on scan. Now, anyway, while the scan is in progress, you can just simply minimize this and then do your other task on your Windows, like creating documents or searching for info. And once the scan is finished or done, then you can just simply close this and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart your Windows. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.